Welcome everybody. Welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. While we are looking at 2 BHK plus studio, which is like 3 BHK Jodi Apartment of Godrej Ananda, sold at Godrej Ananda. We are calling it at phase 3. They have received the RERA. Bookings are open. Almost 3-4 towers sold out. The new tower is open. You may contact us for further details if you're interested in booking an apartment in Bangalore. So this is located in Aerospace Park, 3,000 acre development, a part of 3,000 acres, and as well as a part of 250 acre residential zone, KIADB, Bangalore North. In 250 acres, Godrej has about 20 change acres of land. They launched phase 1 and phase 2 last year, sold out. And this is the phase 3 with 7 towers. They have launched 3 towers last week along with the 4th tower on Saturday morning. Almost inventory is sold out. We left with another 3 towers. If you're interested, this is the chance. Grab an opportunity, invest in North Bangalore, the future of Bengaluru. Already developments are happening. Aerospace companies have moved in, and we have a few companies will be moving by coming financial year. Like Boeing will be moving by coming March, mostly by April or so. So that's a small introduction about the project of Godrej Ananda and the nearby location. This is closer to international airport, like about 11 to 12 kilometers to airport, and this is the center to the city and airport, you can say. About 18 kilometers to Budigiri Cross, 25 kilometers to Whitefield and other areas, IT hubs and other things. So this is how I've entered. This is the foyer area. We'll have the space. The moment we enter, we'll look out this living area, beautifully designed living area. And then we have the dining table. So this is the dining area, everyone. Let us look out from here. Just look at how beautifully designed and how, ventilation wise and as well as the living wise, this is really nice. You can expect a huge rentals if you are planning for rental income. Let's say if you're buying for first time, if you're a first time home buyer, this is one of the best option. The prices just starts from 1 crore 9 lakh onwards, the agreement value, right? So we have this product for you from top builder, Godrej Properties. So this is the open kitchen concept. You can design, see, it is up to you. So instead of dining table keeping there, you can move your dining area here. So automatically your living area becomes more bigger. Then we have the utility here. It is outside utility. I mean open utility, not outside, I'm sorry. Open utility, and here we have another room. Well, here sliders will not be there. This will be a wall. If you are looking for sliders, it is on your approval. If you want the flexi wall, then you will be getting it. If not, you will get a proper room. And look at the room windows, right? It's big windows, the French windows they have given. And here this is the common washroom, right? Now we're entering into the master bedroom. This is the size of master bedroom. This will have one attached washroom to it, along with the balcony. A very big and a standard regular size balcony they have given. That's one of the best part of Godrej. A lot of customers, they expect 2 balconies in 3 BHK. So this option is for you. And at decent price. So this is the washroom attached. So size of master bedroom toilet. So we have covered the 2 rooms. Now we'll be entering into the 3rd room. That comes within this 3 BHK. That's why we are calling it as a Jodi Apartment. If investors, if you're looking out for investment, let's say rental income in future, you can close this wall. This is my idea, I'm giving it. It is up to you. You can close this with like door or wall as per your convenience. You can give that apartment, that single bedroom with attached washroom and kitchen, you can rent out. And this 2 BHK large, you can rent out separated to a different family. That's the best concept for the investors who are looking out for rental income. So now we are entering into the bedroom. This is 12 by 10. Even this bedroom will have a window, the French window, the big windows actually, right? So for ventilation part, even they have given a window here. So once if you open, the lighting will be there even during the evening time. That is the main problem in Bangalore actually, right? A lot of customers want a proper ventilated apartment. The lighting should be there even during the evening. So the whole day, you will have a whole day the lighting will be there. The ventilation I'm talking about. And even this has the washroom attached, and this is another door actually which will be opening from from the lobby area, where there will be two doors since it's a Jodi unit. One will be from here and another here. You can close this and you can rent out the full apartment if you're looking out for investment. 3 BHK if you're looking out for yourself, then this entire house is yours. Let's say you have a plan of 2 BHK for self and studio apartment for rent. Just close this partition, give this separately for rent, and use these 2 BHK for yourself, for end purpose, for end use basically. And we have here it's a this is the common balcony, and this project is neighbor to Brigade Eldorado, neighbor to Prestige, neighbor to Provident, and upcoming other developers. And this is the only project which is on main road, exactly right in front of the public transportation. That is mainly important, even though a lot of people travel in four-wheeler, but public transportation should be there for emergency purpose. A lot of cab facilities are there close by. We have Bangalore area. That's the current market, the grocery things that we'll be getting, like vegetables, the medical center, other things. And the malls, we have Brigade, they are coming up with the mall. It will take time. At present mall, we have Bharatiya Mall of Bengaluru, which is about 12-13 kilometers from here, approximate. And then we have RMZ Galleria Mall, again that is also close to about 12-13 kilometers. We have Mall of Asia by Phoenix, that is also coming somewhere close to 15 kilometers. The nearest mall, not mall, in Brigade, we can say a shopping center will be coming in in Brigade. So that will be hardly about 300-400 meter distance, right? Hospital is there in Brigade, so you can buy a property in Godrej and you can use the facility, amenities, whatever they're providing, the commercial, like the retail shops and other things. However, these things will be for public. That's it, everyone. So hope you got minimum information we just wanted to give you about the product and this flat, the Godrej Ananda location and other things. If you still have any confusion related to the project, if you are interested in buying, we are available at the site. You may contact us without any issues. Don't hesitate to call us. We are here to give you the more information. We are authorized channel partners in Bangalore for Godrej properties. So reach us. We will be sharing our contact number in description. Thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe and share our video with your friends and family. Have a nice day. Stay safe, everybody.